Hello class, I am here to discuss regarding your laboratory notebook that you have to maintain. As you know that in your board exams, out of 100, 20 marks is allotted to your laboratory notebook and viva voice included. Okay, out of 100 only 80 marks you will be having a writing portion, that is other 20 marks would be allotted to your practical as well as your viva voice will be conducted. Okay, now regarding your laboratory manual, we will be conducting few experiments. With respect to that experiment, you have to maintain a notebook. I hope you all have laboratory notebook, lab notebook that you have been allotted from the school, right? So you have to write it in that copy. So how would you write how would you maintain those copy? Okay, now I'll give you one example. Looking at that example, in the same manner you will be writing the other experiment too, which we will be conducting from now onwards. Okay, so first you will write experiment 1. Okay, since if second experiment you will be mentioning experiment 2. Okay, first experiment, that's why you will write experiment 1 and you will mention the date. Okay, you will mention the date on which that particular experiment was conducted, or I'll be assigning you some dates. Okay, so and after that, first you will be writing experiment. What is that particular experiment about? What, for example, if we are examining a bisexual flower, you will be writing examination of 4 whorls of flower. Okay, first will be your experiment. You will not be numbering it. Don't write 1 experiment 2 aim 3. Do not number it. Just write experiment and write the heading examination of 4 whorls of flower. Okay, then you will write the aim. What is the main motive behind conducting the experiment? What is the main motive? You want to study the different parts of the flower, right? So you will be writing to study the different whorls of flower. Okay, then materials required. Now what are the things that is required in order to carry out that particular experiment? Okay, so you will be writing those things. For example, in case of studying the flower, you need a flower, so you write the name of the flower with which you studied. So I showed you the experiment with China rose, so you will be writing China rose. In order to dissect that flower, you needed needle of forceps, glass slide, blade and dissecting microscope in order to observe the ovule and the pollen grains. Okay, so you will be writing the materials required. Okay, and next you will be writing the method. What are the different steps that is required in order to carry that experiment? You will be writing the methods in a past tense and you will write it point wise. Like number 1, we will take a flower. With the help of needle, we had separated the calyx and then separated the petals. Then we got androecium. You will write it in a past tense. Okay, because you have already conducted the experiment, so you will write the sentence in a past tense. Okay, then next you will be writing the observation. You will in your lab manual everything is given sequentially. Okay, observation portion, whatever the blanks has to be filled, so you will be filling whatever is given in your lab manual itself. Okay, they have left a portion where you will be writing what you have observed. Okay, so you will fill that portion only. You don't have to add it on your own. Okay, you will fill that portion what's given in your lab manual. And next, what are the precautions that you have to take? Like in this case, make sure your glass slide are clean. Okay, be careful with the while dissecting with the blade, because blades are sharp. You will be writing those precautions. So in this way you will be maintaining your lab notebook. Okay, you will write it in this sequence only. First experiment, aim, then materials required, method, the sentence of the what it's given in your lab manual also, but you will convert those sentences into past tense because you have already done the experiment. So we did this, we did that. You will be framing the sentence in that manner. Okay, and then you will write the observation, whatever you saw after you conducted the experiment, and then the precaution. So you will be writing in this manner. Okay, so that's all about how you maintain a notebook, your lab notebook. Other materials that I feel would be required for you will be provided through WhatsApp. Okay.